Today we're going to be taking a look at some pricing. So if we go to our example consignment, we can go to our finance section and have a look at the differences between certain prices. Now here, as you can see, we have our base price and our tax price. Our base price is just initially what we are charging, and then we obviously have our GST or tax. These are two separate prices. And what we can do is we can go into our admin tab or our details tab, and we can add in an additional service. So we'll add 3 additional services here just as an example. We can go to our admin tab and double check these additional services. Now as you can see, these additional services are approved and we have a quantity of 1 each, which means they should appear on our finance tab. So if we go to our finance tab and reprice, you'll be able to see that these additional services are in here as a separate price. This is how the additional service pricing ties in with all of the other pricing on your consignment. So now what we can also do is we can go into our history tab and manually assign this consignment to an agent, so we can get ourselves some agent pricing. As you can see, we have our pickup/delivery auto pricing. So this is attached to our agent rate card. If we reprice, the additional service will also add in, as well as having our tax and our base. Now the next set of pricing that we can add in would be our levies and surcharges. So if we just reprice, we'll be able to see that I have added in a 10% fuel levy to the customer auto price. If you want to see how to do this, just have a look at our levies and surcharges video. Now another thing that we're going to be taking a look at today is our manual pricing. Now what we need to remember is that all of these prices are separate. The customer auto, the agent price, as well as our manual price. So if we add in a price, put in a description and a cost, so we can put in, let's say, $50, and we'll just put in a description of manual, and then we can just select to add. Now that we've added in a manual price, we can go through and just have a look at how different these prices are. So we have our customer auto with our base, additional service, levies and taxes. And as you can see, it comes to a grand total with a split costing. Then we have our agent pricing and our manual pricing. Now, as you can see, all of these prices are on different invoice numbers, and this is because they were all different prices. And you can add these to different invoices as you please. For a more in-depth view on our manual pricing, please refer to our other videos. And this is just a quick overview on just the basic prices that you can add into a consignment and how they all tie in together. To see how to implement most of these prices, please review some of our other videos. And that is your basic pricing. Thank you for watching.